The Supreme Court is set to hear a pivotal case concerning former President Donald Trump's sweeping tariff policies, with oral arguments scheduled for Wednesday. At the core of this legal battle is a critical question. Will the court's conservative majority apply the same stringent, major questions doctrine used to curtail President Biden's initiatives to President Trump's economic agenda? Businesses and states challenging the tariffs are actively referencing the opinions of 3 Trump-appointed justices, hoping to secure their votes. The Trump administration invoked the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, citing economic and national security crises due to trade deficits and the fentanyl epidemic, to justify these tariffs. This law, enacted in 1977, does not explicitly mention tariffs, but allows presidents to regulate imports following an emergency declaration. In recent years, the Supreme Court has employed the major questions doctrine, asserting that Congress must clearly authorize significant policy actions. This principle was applied to block Biden's COVID-19 eviction moratorium, vaccine mandate, and student loan forgiveness plan, on the grounds that Congress had not explicitly granted such broad authority. Challengers of Trump's tariffs argue that their economic impact far exceeds that of the programs previously struck down, directly invoking statements from Justices Gorsuch and Barrett to support their case. They also cite Justice Kavanaugh's dissent, warning against over-reliance on emergency powers. However, the Trump administration contends that the major questions doctrine is inapplicable here, emphasizing the president's extensive latitude in foreign affairs and national security. They reference a dissenting appellate opinion and Justice Kavanaugh's view that this doctrine has never been applied to foreign policy or national security cases. This perspective echoes a 1981 Supreme Court decision upholding President Carter's use of the Emergency Powers Act to freeze Iranian assets. Chief Justice John Roberts clerked for Justice Rehnquist in that case. The court's decision could significantly define the scope of presidential power in economic and national security matters. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.